आदर जय जिनेंद्र, नाहर महाकुंभ में आपका स्वागत है। नाहर महाकुंभ एक अलग ही आयाम लेता जा रहा है। More than 1 lakh visitors from 300 cities worldwide is a phenomena, is a record in itself. And today we got our Honorable Commerce and Industry Minister Shri Piyush Ji also coming to Nahar GBN Mahakumbh and addressing us with the vision of Indian economy in the future. Now, today in the process of business icons, because as we promised you, we are going to get business icons, leading people from the industry and trade who have done something exceptional in their life. So today we have Mr. Sameer Malhotra with us in RGBN Mahakumbh, and he's a director and chief executive officer of Shri Ram Auto Mall India Limited. With a strong foundation of the company since inception, they are into exchange of brand and exchange of pre-owned automotive and 100 large format auction houses, auto malls. Mr. Sameer Malhotra has got 3 decades of experience and he has built a strong foundation of the company and is an entrepreneur by heart. And thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Sameer, to being with us in Nahar GBN Mahakumbh. And I would love to have a lot of questions from our viewer because automotive, when we call it's like mobility. Mobility got stuck in pandemic. People got stuck wherever they were, and now everybody want to rush. The moment any trigger comes, people just take out the car, take out the vehicle, and then they go out. So tell me, sir, what was the experience the last 2 years for your company?
Yeah, I think first is congratulations for this Mahakumbh, and I think I'm very much impressed the way the whole Jito family been combined together and the way this whole plan and episode and this complete Mahakumbh has been organized. I must congratulate you and all the team who's behind this, and it looks very, very great and fantastic. So my congratulations and best wishes to all of you. That's to start with. Definitely, as any organization or any person got affected, same are we. When this happened, I think nobody could imagine that COVID impact would be so severe for every individual as well as for the businesses. So that's everybody got, I think, caught on the at a time when nobody could imagine this could have happened. So especially when last year, when we were at the peak of our business in the March, generally, in India, most of the businesses are peaking in the month of March, and we all were peaking, and this all of a sudden happened, and all of us were struggling all of a sudden without knowing what to do next. But that's where I think I proudly say we Indians are very, very innovative in a sense that we start thinking very differently. We start when the challenges comes in front of us, we become more innovative, we become more, I think, more active, and that exactly happened in India, where as a country we survived, as businesses we survived, and as individuals we survived. I think it's a great achievement for us as all of us as Indians, that what we done in this last 2 years. Coming back to us, I think in the mobility sector, definitely the effect was there. We have seen the numbers have gone drastically changed for all the new cars or two-wheelers or trucks or tractors. Tractor was the only industry which somehow managed and construction equipment gone down. So almost anything which works on mobility, whenever you talk about, we are in that segment, automotive sector, everything got affected and everybody was not sure what to do. Factories were closed, people were going back to their homes, demand has gone down to the lowest level, there is no movement was happening, cash was a crisis. So there was a lot of things which happened, which all of a sudden came to us as a businesses. But I think it took us a very short time for all of us to bounce back, all of us to come back with the innovative ideas, and we saw now the industry is bouncing back. We saw again now most of the cars have a waiting period. Even two-wheelers are selling back, tractors are making good numbers, commercial vehicle industry is back, three-wheelers started moving back, and construction equipment also moving back. So all the industries, it took time. People got adjusted to the things, and I think now all of us understand this will remain as a part of our life for the time being. We need to survive with it, we need to live with it, and we need to go forward. And that's what all the businesses have done. And for us, yes, we survived. Not only survived, we managed the business to the same levels of the profits and the revenue and the business. For last 3 years, we are almost at the same level. We are not gone down. We initially first quarter of last year was very, very bad. Again, this year when lockdown happened, one quarter was completely gone bad. But last year we bounced back. Last three, in fact, March was one of the best ever numbers in our history of 10 years. So again, in July, when we bounced back, our July numbers are best ever in the history of our company. So I think as a businesses, things are coming back, people are responding back, and things are changing.
So as a company, like in US, the used vehicle market is very big, and India also it is growing. And everybody who want to aspire to upgrade from two-wheeler to four-wheeler and all. So in terms of a business, like how many vehicles on an year you transact your company, and how and where you see next 5 years you will be?
Yeah, so we definitely the businesses are growing, and a lot more people are getting more used to of going to the use. They're getting understanding the advantage of buying the use, whether for commercial use or for the private use. So that mindset and the knowledge and the people acceptability of used is changing drastically in the country. That's making it a bigger industry even than the new vehicle industry. And internationally, we've seen in all the developed countries, that's what is a trend. It is multiple times of the new vehicle, the used vehicle industry is that big yearly. I think we are moving in the same direction as the country, and including us. We things are changing, numbers are growing. We get on an average over between 600,000 to 800,000, 6 lakhs to 8 lakhs vehicles to sell every year, which makes us the one of the largest platform in the country right now. We sell close to 40 to 50% of that every year. So that's become a huge numbers, which is sometimes even bigger than anybody else in the industry or even the manufacturers. Some numbers are bigger, so we do quite a large number. We are spread in close to 100 cities all over the country. We have any major city, we have our operations and offices, which is basically a stockyard, which and the auction center, which is physical auction centers in those areas. The stockyard is mostly on the highways of 100 cities, as small as 3-4 acres to as big as 20 acres. So we are on the highways throughout the country in 100 cities and doing this business.
So if I'm correct that in India we have around 450 cities and towns, and tehsils are even more. So if you have to grow to each and every part of the country, you might be looking for stockyards, you might be looking for franchisee partners to grow, or like what is your model of growth? Like, are you open for collaboration?
Yes, so going forward, we most of these yards again owned by different people who owns the land. We do collaboration with them, and that's what exactly we're looking for our next phase of expansion. Right now, we are on the lookout for similar another next 100 cities where we can expand. So we're looking for right people who has the land on the highway, who can develop along with us, and then we can become. They start using that land for a much better uses, and they get some revenue for that. So there is a next next phase of our expansion. Now we are looking for people to collaborate into next 100 cities with us.
Wonderful. So we would really wish to get a list of those 100 cities which you wish to. And Jito as a network, we are spread across the country. More than 300 cities right now has participated in Mahakumbh. And through your office, we can communicate to them this. They will be watching this episode. So once a person associate with you in terms of resources, whether it's a land or warehouse or property, but then what more you want from them, like in terms of investment, in terms of bringing the capacity, the connect and the expertise, are you also offering services to the industry like automotive repair, workshop and financing and all those aspects?
Yeah, so we have our most of the facilities that we provide in our auto malls are consisting for all these things. So people, the partner who's coming along with different cities, they need to provide these facilities. We are also looking into the next model where they can be part and parcel of our business. So we are right now exploring that part of the business, which we have not done till date, but now we are looking into, because initially we wanted to create something which people start believing. So we done on our own for last 10 years. We are growing year on year. We are the largest platform. We are the most established platform. We are ISO standard systems are there. We are a STQC qualified, which is no other company in the country is STQC verified company. So we have a lot of now things and background to talk about, which people can feel this business can grow, this business is happening. So people will be more willing to invest their money now. So that's what we thought, and that's what we've done. Now we are definitely interested where people have the good knowledge in the local markets, and they want to be part and parcel. It will be like a bigger family. And we are not looking for people who comes and try to make some money and try to go. We are looking for people who are long-term partners, who are long-term family members, and together we grow those cities and businesses. That's what we are looking for in the relationship. And if you see, Shriram Group is almost last 50 years. We are all the businesses. We are the largest, our parent company, the largest non-banking finance company in the country. Shriram Group itself is 2 lakh crore worth of group is there. So the background is very, very strong. We have fundamentally very strong group, which is want the right partners who are long-term vision about the businesses. That's what we're looking for.
I really absolutely, because it goes with the principle of Jainism also, because there is nothing short-term we believe in. We always believe in doing something which is sustainable, which is less intrusive, and that works a lot. So basically, I really appreciate your vision for that. And as a Shriram Group, if it is going to be the pioneer in this segment, of course there are a lot of peripheral segments which will get developed. For example, you have, which is visible, is insurance, then all your repair workshop. But apart from this, whenever any facility gets created, nearby area also get some development, some sort of a development happens, which may not be directly related to business. And e-commerce really picked up the demand for the smaller vehicles, battery operated vehicles, and we have a lot of startups in which we have invested who are into commercial EVs, battery operated EVs and all. So as an organization, we have an angel network we run. So we have invested in those companies. So we can actually work on those lines as well. And plus, automobile in G2 Business Network, we have a vertical for automobile sector. And most of our members are at the hands of DECMA, at the hands of Automotive Manufacturing Association and all. So we can have an industry meeting, we can convene with your group, and then we can explore some sort of an ideation meeting on Zoom or maybe physically also possible, because in Pune and in Gurgaon we have a strong base.
Absolutely. I think I'm very excited after hearing this, and we as a company are now looking for making some investments in the similar field. We are already looking for lookout. We already in the past we acquired few companies and we made some joint collaboration also with some of the companies. So if we see the right opportunity, we'll be more than happy to be part of the.
We can have a co-investing colloquiums or collaborations we can create, wherein people of like mind can co-invest in a larger project, in a bigger project.
And we as an organization has a very, very in-depth knowledge about this industry. If you see, Shriram Group is last 50 years into the vehicle industry. And our Car Trade Tech, our other equity partner in this, is the largest classified site, Car Wale and Bike Wale. We have recently got IPO also. See, last week we got listed also. So we are the largest classified site in the. We are very, very strong in the e-commerce as well as automobile racer. We have the largest platform. We're the only listed company in the country right now who is into this platform. So with that background, we have a lot of knowledge, and myself is last 20 or 30 years into automobile only. So we have a lot of international experiences and domestic experiences. So we can be very, we'll be very more than happy to be part of G2 community where we can guide or we can work together or we can just advise also. We'll be more than happy to be going to something good for the country. We ultimately anything could happen goes for the country itself.
Yes.
So we are,
because that is the ultimate. The funnel is whatever we do. Of course, as a business owner, we generate wealth, but the wealth get distributed in the growth of country, because country today is at the crossroad. We have 50% population under 30, under 35. That is where 20 years is clearly destined for the India. So if we can't leverage it, then it is nobody's fault.
Absolutely. So when we do our, we saw in the past that even nearby, wherever we open our auto malls, that's a physical platform. The nearby area gets flourished automatically. People start opening the different shops, whether related to the automobile spares or tires or some restaurants, and like that area start getting developed. So we do that automatically. Community living start happens around it. That's first. We also do a lot of CSR. So we do thousands of students every year. For the drivers' children, we give scholarship for 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 4 years. We give them a scholarship for studies. We have thousands of students where we do our scholarship. We also do work on the plantation. We do a lot of area nearby. We do a lot of plantation. We also do now water coolers and all. We provide to the either panchayats or to the nearest police stations or to the schools and all. We do a lot of these things. So we do part and parcel of community living. That's our DNA is to whatever is earning is because of the community. So we should give back something to the community.
So I think very well said, sir. You are doing for community and community give back to you. So it is like a relationship which nobody can understand. It's like a divine relationship. So just tell us a little bit about your organization, like in terms of your employees and your consultants or your advisors. Like how big is the ecosystem you are carrying in the country? Because you are a large organization, 1 crore plus, a lot of listed companies under your fold, and a lot of businesses. So how big it is, like 1 lakh people, 50,000 people, or like, and then how you manage them? Like, is there any technology you use, or just wanted to know?
So as a organization, as a group, it's quite big. So I manage part of it. I don't manage the whole Shriram group or CTT group. There are different group, different CEOs are there. I manage Shriram Automall group, which consists of Shriram Automall, Carted Exchange, which is the largest online auction platform in the country. I also manage Adroit Auto, which is the leading inspection and valuation company in the country, and we also have Ogio and BlueJet. There are different businesses what we manage. As a group, definitely you're right. It's more than 1 lakh employees would be there, but there are different companies and different CEOs who manage that business. For Shriram Automall, we are close to 1,500 people family. Plus, we have a large network of our business associates. Again, that's another area where we would like Jito community to be part of it. We can always discuss. We are the leading valuation and inspection company. We are one of the oldest inspection and valuation company. We work for all the general insurance companies and all the bank and NBFCs, both public sector and private sector. So those complete network, we need to do a lot of inspections when the insurance breakage is there, or valuation of vehicles when their financing or repossessions are happening. So we have a network of more than 1,000 people who are not full-time employee, but they are part of business associate. They work with different cities. We have a business associate partner who takes care of that, and then he has a team who takes care of business along with it. So that's another partnership opportunity which we can always explore and look into. We are looking into expanding into 500 cities for Adroit. So I think that could be the immediate one area where we can look into and explore.
We would love to get little more details so that we can discuss and we can design a special program on that.
Perfect. So that's part one, and so we have this 1,500 employees which are spread in almost 100 cities, and they all take care of their respective areas of their businesses, and whatever is the responsibility belongs to that. We have a board which is a very strong board. Our chairman is Secretary Home, retired Secretary Home. Our independent directors are Deputy Governor RBI, and from MD and CEO of Shriram Transport is on the board, and Cartech Tech founder is on the board. So like that, we have a very knowledgeable and spread board who takes care of along with me, and I am report to the board. So we have very knowledgeable board who has all the knowledge about this industry, and we can always use them whenever we need. We always go to them and take their references from them. So there are businesses. One is our Automall expansion plan where we can have people to join. Also in that business, we have a lot of people who must be from Jito industry who is already into trading of automobile. Could be car, could be two-wheeler, three-wheeler, construction equipment, tractors, anything which moves on vehicle. That's what is our industry. So they also can be part and parcel. We can make them the special relationship clients. We have our Bid Club membership program. We can make them there, and they can be then actively work with us in our. We get more than 50,000 vehicles, which is one of the largest platform in the country. So they can be part and parcel of ecosystem to get connected with the business and start making some business opportunities and decisions and businesses for them. So
is there any mobile app or something which connect all those associates, or it is like a what decentralized hub and spoke model? Like what is the, in the current scenario, every organization, large organization in our Jito also, people are investing a lot on technology. So I would like to know your technology overview, like how you see technology as a tool.
So we are very, very technological enabled company. We have a team which is, we have more than only for Shriram Automall, we have close to 80 engineers who work day and night full time for us to develop different things. But we need in technology. As when even lockdown happened, we shifted to phygital, which is physical auctions with the digital technology. So what we done, all our customers, as they could not move out of the cities and homes, so we provide them our mobile app, which is MySamin app, where now they can inspect, they can see everything, they can watch the auction live and they can bid live. So that's the one tool we given them. Also on our Carted Exchange, which is purely an online auction model, we have a close to 23,000 customers or our partners who are day and night involved with us on that app. So they buy on that, our website and app is their Carted Exchange, which is the most number one site right now in the country for in the auction industry, for the vehicle industry. So we are so there are 23,000 people are connected in close to 400 cities. So they buy and sell through that particular app and digital mode. They don't have to come out and come to the physical auction. So that's the second model. And our third business is inspection valuation, as I explained, which is Android Auto. Mostly that is completely on the app. We have a state-of-the-art app with a lot of fraud detections and a lot of things, which is tools we developed in the last 15 years of our knowledge. We developed those, and we recently, last year only, we launched our Android 2.0, which is state-of-the-art, latest technological app, which is there for people to do inspection and valuation.
Wonderful. I think I also see that nowadays the life has become so simple that, you know, yesterday I went to bank for some work and there was some gentleman who wanted to open an account and the banker came with a mobile phone. There was no paper on the desk. He just opened the account instantly by taking a Aadhaar card photo, and it was done within less than 2 minutes. So even before Maggie is cooked, the account can be opened without any document and without signature. So this is the time, I think the time is very interesting because we are heading towards a big boom for the Indian economy, because our forex reserves are all-time high. Our the RBI growth projection has gone up now. So now, as a person, as a Samir Malhotra, CEO of such a big organization, like how do you spend your day? Because today the time has become 24/7. We all have become digital workers. Like, you know, we say that हाँ भाई चलो 8 बजे शाम को कॉल करना है कर लेंगे, 10 बजे कर लेंगे, मॉर्निंग में कर लेंगे. So as an organization, the time management is also very important, because you are a family person, you are dealing with large family of your client, customer, partners, associates. So as an individual soul, because in Jainism we focus on individual soul also, because we believe that if the individual soul is strong, then the entire society becomes strong. So how you keep yourself in a strong manner? What you do?
This is the most difficult one question. Anyway, I'll try to answer it. I don't know. I think for me, my first family is my people who are around me, which is part and parcel of our Samil family. So we are around 1,500 people. So I have a very big responsibility, whether business lockdown happens or anything happens, they should not get affected. That's the first bigger responsibility. All the time, I think during lockdown, I was working close to 18 to 20 hours every day. My time, when in a normal time I was working less, and all of a sudden lockdown happened. I think it was so much to do, so much changes to bring, so much people to connect it, keep them motivated, business to happen, losses to cover, profits to make. By doing all that, and then 1,500 employees need to keep motivated, they feel connected, and they need to have the same motivation level to go next level and take the company to the next level. So I think that was the biggest task, along with serving to our customers who have equal challenges they're going through. They are not being able to sell their vehicles, they're stuck with the money. They're not been able to take deliveries. They're not able to buy new. They don't know they're happening. A lot of issues are happening in the families. So keep them motivated, give them some rewards, some privileges, some new things. So that take away a lot of time. And then ultimately to your shareholders and to the people where they invested on your company, you need to give them the rewards or the returns also. So I think there was a lot to be given to the back to the society, which keep me engaged. So I hardly get time, but whenever I get time, my best habit, I every day read newspaper. That's my ritual. I have to do that. I also, when I get time or I feel I'm so much deep down, I need some time for me or some break for me. I think for me, TV or movies are the only thing what I do, and that's what I do mostly, and that's keep me engaged. That's keep me occupied. So
Right,
that's
I
been
think
all about.
your passion and profession, there is no difference. So you enjoy both. So basically, that is how you love whatever you do. You are not doing for something, you are doing for your own self. So that is how it keep motivated. Wonderful, sir. I think you are very candid in your approach. You have answered all the questions so well. You have shared your knowledge and lot of opportunity you have hinted, which is whether it is a business association or it is expansion into new areas, whether it's the land bank near highways which you will be looking for expansion. So definitely our listeners who are all the business owners, who are all the industrialists, they will keep note of it, who are listening to it right now in Mahakumbh, and they will connect with you. We will share your email coordinates with them as an opportunity giver so that they can connect with you and take it forward.
So thank you very much. As I
Thank
said,
you.
we have a business opportunity, as you rightly said, in the yard and franchisee. We also have in the customer to become customer and start doing transactions, and to become business associate and expand in different cities. So thank you for the opportunity for me to connect it with
And
the.
anybody in the 25,000 family, everybody have one car, two car, and anybody who want to sell the vehicle or commercial vehicle or buy, we have our sponsor VTrans, who is one of the largest fleet owners in the country. So they are one of the sponsor in gold sponsor in Mahakumbh. So we have people who need all sort of a vehicle, whether it's a mine owner, they need the bigger vehicles, bigger this thing. So for everyone, you have some solutions, I believe, and that will really go a long way as a partnership. Thank you very much.
Thank
And
you very much, Rajendra.
good
Thank
day.
you.
Thank you. Jai Jagan.